In today's episode, let's unbox the incenses from ISHA Life, Sadhguru's ashram. Namaste everyone and welcome to Om Incense Show with DJ, a show that helps you increase your incense quotient. So if you are an incense enthusiast, consider subscribing. So let's put Shiva aside and start with our unboxing. So what I have with me here is this box which I got like that. And so you open that and this is what you get here. It says no plastic packaging, so we had this this brown thing there, brown papers, and then we have this bill here. So I got this towel from there. I really wanted one of these towels. It just looks very pretty. So I got this. What's the name of this towel? So the name of this towel is, it's called herringbone towel small, and it had something to do with India print. So it had something like that. It's called some India print, and so this is what we have here. It says ISHA Life. I'm sure all of us know Sadhguru's ashram. So Sri Jaghi Vasudev, his ashram, which is in Coimbatore. So I got this from there. So it's handloom, pre-washed, natural dye, undyed, organic, and that's what we have. ISHA Life Indian Experience, that's what it says. And if you can see, the texture is like that. It's not a very big towel, it's like that. I really wanted one of these, so I got this. Then what I got was, actually I'm saving the best for last, so I'll show you the incenses once I'm through with all these. I got a small Nandi. I really wanted a Nandi, see. So when I have my Shiva, I can just put this Nandi facing Shiva and he'll be happy. In fact, both of them will be happy. So if we have it like that, Nandi is always supposed to be facing Shiva. So he'll be like that. Nice. This is going to be like that. So Nandi, I got. This Nandi is actually, it's made of metal, it's iron I guess, but it's hollow from within, and I don't like this hollow thing. Even though the weight is light, it feels substantial. It doesn't feel light and inferior quality. It feels good, and it's really good. So what I'll do is I'll fill some kind of wax in this, probably beeswax or soy wax or something, to make it more solid, and then we can use this. I really like it, see. The eyes and everything, the expression is so visible. It's nice. I really like it. Nandi. So we have this Nandi here. I wanted one of Nandis for my Shiva. And then I bought a lot of incenses from them. And I'll probably do a blanket review of all of these. And let's see, depending on what I like and what I want to show you. And this is another very, very beautiful lamp. I'm like crazy for lamps. I have a lot of lamps. I really like collecting lamps. It's been packed in a nice sturdy box, again covered with a brown paper. It's a very beautiful lamp, guys. Hold your breath. Look at this. This is so pretty, so pretty. Once I light this up, I'll show this to you. So this is copper, and it's nice and sturdy. The copper also is good quality. This is quite heavy. It's very nice. And we have this Nag here, of course, the symbol of Kundalini. And if you've been to Sadhguru's ashram, you'll see they have a lot of this Nag everywhere in the ashram. In the temples and stuff, everywhere this is there. Even in the rooms, the beds also have this. So if you are snake phobic, probably you might want to stay away. And so this is what we have. This is copper, and we can put a lot of oil in this. That's what I haven't used it, but people said that they've used around 200 ml of oil in this. I'm not sure about that. I'll let you know once I use this. Copper diya is excellent for Surya, for the worship of Shiva, for the worship of Bhairav. And then I have these many incenses. All the other stuff are all incenses, and you let me know which one you want me to review here, else I'll do something, you know, on my own. All of these incenses are for 35 rupees, and they all have 10 pieces of incense in them. So they're all sample pieces, sample pack. So we have sandalwood, we have camphor. I was actually looking for camphor when I found this camphor incense, and I found this. This is vetiver, this is lotus, this is benzoin, this is jasmine, this is vibhuti. So vibhuti, if you know, is actually the ash of the Havan, the fire ritual. But I just wanted to see what kind of fragrance they've given to vibhuti. So I really wanted to check out this vibhuti. So I got vibhuti, which is, I think it's specific to Sadhguru's ashram. I'm not sure. I haven't seen this anywhere else. And we have this musk. I also got musk and sandalwood from Swaha, which I'll be reviewing next. You know, Tuesday I'll be reviewing that, and it's been long overdue, so I'll be doing that. This is eucalyptus, excellent for you know, the times when you have cold and cough, and if a child at home or a senior citizen or anybody for that matter has cold and cough, eucalyptus would be excellent. This is Night Queen, Rat Rani. I really wanted to check out this one. This is sage. I just wanted 10 pieces of this for smudging my house, so I'm just going to use it very sparingly. Sage. We have Nag Champa. I of course wanted to check out the Nag Champa from ISHA Life. And then we have amber. So this is what we had. 1, 2, 12, 13. So I have 13 incenses, all sample packs, 35 rupees, 10 incense packs. And you let me know which one you want me to review here. If not, I'll do something that I feel like, and it's going to be a blanket review because I'm not going to most probably do individual reviews of these. So we have this. This is what I'd wanted to show you. So this was unboxing of ISHA's products. So I got one Nandi, one Tal, one Deep, and 13 incenses. That's what we had. Now besides this, I also have some other product which I bought from some other places. So I just want to show you these because I find them very pretty, and I just thought you might like these too. This is Kamal Deep, it's called, because it's, you know, it's shaped like a lotus. And this is an 8-inch one, and I got this for around 590 from IGP. I'll see if I get something like this on Amazon. I'll link it in the description. Otherwise, you know, I have given a lot of incense related products in the description box. You might just check that. And also for ISHA's products, if you link it in the description, so you can check that out. This is Narayan Akhand Deep, and I got this from Big Basket. This is such an amazing product. This is nice and heavy, and this is only for around either 160 or 170. This is also nice and heavy, and because I think the design is unique and must be new, this is for around 600, but I've seen this on Amazon for 500 also, and I know of somebody who gives this for 560. So I got this from IGP, and the product is the same, you know, the quality is the same like in any, like you'll find on any other site. This is there. This Narayan Deep, you know, this is the same Deep. If you've seen this, this is the Narayan Deep that I'm currently using. And if you see, this is how I use. I always, you know, I use Molly, the red thread, the sacred red thread for the bati, and I use 2 cloves, 1 cardamom, and 2 pieces of camphor in this. So this is the standard that I always use. I always light my lamps like these, like this. And so this is the Narayan Diya. I got 2 of these because I wanted one for my Tulsi and one for the main gate, the main door. So I got these. And this, of course, I'd shown you earlier. This is the Dhoopdani. This had got some, you know, at this is what I got from a lady in my society who sells these kind of products. She sells very nice quality products. And I think she sends it across India. So I'll ask her if I can share her number here, so you can get this. This is for 400. The quality is very nice and sturdy. It's quite heavy. You know, that's how you know that the brass is good quality. This is what we have. This is something that I had been wanting for quite some time now. I'd been waiting for this for long. This also is a very good quality product. I got this from her. This is for around 850, and I saw this on Amazon, and I'll give you the link in the description, so you check that. Check the description for the links of many incense related products. You'll get very good ones, because I've collected quite a few good products from all over Amazon, and I've given them there. This is something that you can hang somewhere. It's like that, and this is how it is. This also is nice and sturdy, heavy, quite heavy. This, I guess I got it for around 500 something from her only. So these were all the things that I wanted to show you today. That's all for the episode. On Tuesday, I'll be reviewing Swaha, sandalwood and musk, the white musk incense from Swaha, which Bal Gangadhar ji had requested. So you might just want to check that out on Tuesday. This Tuesday, I just gave a podcast, and if you haven't listened to it, you might just want to check out the podcast where I discuss fragrance messages of 5 incense plants. So check that out. And I hope you learned something from today's episode, and if you think somebody else can learn something from me, to share it with them. And till we meet again next, take very good care of yourself. Namaste.